So we have moved from Harrah's to the Flamingo, and we are in a two queen. I'm not sure, it's like a junior executive suite. Main difference with this one is the living area, sleeping area is a little bit bigger than Harrah's. So we like that. TV's not as big, but that's whatever. Over here, we have a nice big closet, which we like because, as you can see, we have a lot of stuff. So nice big closet, and the lights are automatic when they come on. And here's one of the things that I really like about these is the drapes. Drapes and blinds are automatic, and look at this view. Right on the strip. We have Bellagio fountains over there, Caesars of course right across, and then beautiful sunrise and sunsets over the mountains here. So yeah, I really like this one. Here's a little added bonus for this particular room, which is why we always pick this junior suite, what they call it, is you have a giant bathroom. Standard shower, but you know what? Nice and roomy. So really like these here. That's it. We're at the Flamingo for the next 5 days. We'll give you guys an update when we check out.